What if your classroom became a place where the next big innovation begins? Germany is globally recognized for its leadership in research, innovation, and technological advancement, making it one of the best destinations for ambitious international students. Students gain access to cutting-edge laboratories, innovation hubs, and research projects across fields such as engineering, artificial intelligence, sustainability, healthcare, and advanced manufacturing. Strong collaboration between universities and industry allows students to work on real-world challenges, while building valuable professional skills and networks. In Germany, innovation isn't just studied, it's created. Take the next step towards becoming a future researcher, innovator, or industry leader.
IAEC Consultants. Private Limited. Guiding futures, inspiring journeys with 25 years of excellence in recruiting students abroad.